All right, man. You guys are gonna have to let me know, cause are those chicken sandwiches at Popeye, is that freaking good? I'm wondering because it's like 9:45 and my is in line already. People are in line already to get them chicken sandwiches. That's crazy. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. So yeah, it's like 9:30 in the morning. Go for a little drive. We're going to the Nike Clearance Center. That's the one in Santa Clarita. That's the one closest to my place. Yeah, and the reason I'm heading out there so early is because all the resellers get there at 10 o'clock. All the resellers get there at 10 o'clock. So yeah, we need to try to compete with them. So yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. See if we can find some steals and deals and see if we can flip some. I don't know. We'll see, you guys. We'll see. Don't forget about the series of raffles coming within the next 3-4 weeks. I do have 3 bronze Michael Jordan Funko Pops, as well as a couple of t-shirts that I'm going to be giving away. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel, as well as follow me on Instagram, since those are the only 2 requirements. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go see what's up with this outlet, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, it's 9:47, you guys. 9:47, and there's at least, 10 people in line already? It's actually not even in line, just grouped up. But yeah, let's go see. Let's go wait for a few minutes and see what we can cop. 2 minutes till, you guys. 2 minutes till. Look at the crowd. The crowd's gotten bigger and bigger, man. That's what I'm talking about. Let the craziness begin, you guys. Let the craziness begin. Let's get to that size 10. Get to that size 10. Nothing for me yet. People copping, look. People finding stuff. People finding stuff, you guys. Let's check the size 10s. Saw a Jordan 4 laser that someone had. Still got these Super Browns for $139. You get that 30% off today, though. 30% off everything. 30% off everything. Forget that friends and family mess. This was a mess. Got a whole bunch of Jordan Why Not 0.1s. Going for $70, 30% off, man. That's not bad for some balling shoes. That Vapor Max Find It, man. Going for retail though, man. That's crazy. Still in the size 10. Got some boots. Jordan 9 boots. I don't know if these got any resale. Not at that price though, man. That price is just too high. I was just about to go crazy and say, look at the price on these. $170 for some Why Not 0.2s. But man, these are dirty as hell. Can't tell if it's a lighting, but yeah, they look straight up dirty. Yeah. Yeah, they look worn or something. We'll take a look at it. We are in the 10.5. I did grab a couple pair. I don't know if I showed it in the video. We're in the 10.5 now. They still got the Black History Months, go for $129. Black History Month Jordan 2s. Still got the Kobe 10 mids, going for $80. It's all black. These are terrible looking. Someone did ask me about the Futures, going for $70. That's 30% off on top of that though, so pretty decent. Proto Reacts, look at that, man. Go for $80. Another 30% off on top of that. That's crazy. More Jordan boots, the Jordan 9 boots, $129. These React Terra Goes, they're going down price, $60. Extra 30 on top of that, dang. That's some Air Max Deluxe. Kind of expensive though, man, $150. You get that 30%, but kind of expensive. We're in the size 11s. The 88 Racers going for $45. 30% off on top of that, man. That gets on like 30 something. KD Tray 5s. Look at these KD Tray. $45, man. $30-something, man. That's crazy. We got some Vapor Max acronyms going for what? $225? I've seen a few of these now. $225. Get that 30% off. Jordan Proto Max 720s. Going for $105. I did check the backpack section. Nothing. So yeah, let's go check out some apparel. We're in the jersey section where there's an additional 30% off. So we got green jerseys. Which ones are these? These are the Swingman jerseys, you guys. These would normally go for $100. Go for 30 something. Got the Draymond Green jersey. It's an interesting Jordan jersey. Interesting material. It's like a, oh, it's an interesting material. What size is this? Size medium. That's interesting. All right, I almost neglected the size 8. These still go for $100. Got a plethora of those. Not much in the size 8. Got some Legend Reacts. Go for what? $70. Get that 30% off something. But nothing crazy here, you guys. Got some 270 bowfins. Go for what? $100. All black. I've never seen the all black one, so that's not bad. Air Max Deluxe, man. These Air Max Deluxe going for way too much here. 105. You did get that 30% off, but still steep. That is the cheapest on the size 7s now, 7 to 8s. Yeah, that's the cheapest I've ever seen the Metcon. These tailwinds, look at these tailwinds. Weird box. Super weird box, but not bad. The tailwinds. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Super old school. Got $60. 30% off on top of that. Those of you guys who've been watching my channel for a while, you guys know about these. These have been here for, what, 3 months now? I don't know, about that long, but they've been here for a while. Got some Joyride going for retail. You get that 30 off though. It's a funky looking colorway though. So when you come here crazy early at 10 o'clock in the morning to fight with the resellers, you pretty much have to get everything super quick within the first like 5 minutes. Pretty much all the heat's taken. So you gotta act quick, you guys. Gotta act quick. I don't think I did too well today, but yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. We're in the size 11 and a half. I've never heard of these before. Never heard of these. It's interesting. So this is called, it's called the Jordan Protro Light. Oh. Got some, okay, so does it have that React material? It looks like the, I don't know if it's React or what. It seems super hard. But yeah, it's $60, dude. Normally 95, going for $60. You get that 30% off as well, dude. That's crazy cheap. Crazy cheap. It's an interesting color. The Spizikes. I've never seen that colorway. Gonna go for $90. Get that 30 off, 30%. Oh, okay. Pegasus 35 is on the size 12. Pegasus 35. Not bad. Going for what? $70, 30% off. We had a gold box, so you know how to check it out, dude. Had to check it out. Some Air Zoom Victory Tour. This is some golf shoes. 180 going for $90. Yeah, I checked the resale. They go for like $100 resale. So yeah, could probably make a couple dollars, but not worth all that effort. Made it our way to the size 12. Pegasus Turbos, 129. Under $100 after that 30% off. Odyssey React Flyknit 2, $70. Damn, that's crazy low. Oh damn! Look at these Pegasus Turbo 2s. 2nd gen, you guys, going for well under $100. Dang, 105. That brings it down to like $75. Dang, that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Futures. Remember when everybody was going crazy over these? The bread ones, man. These were dope. But $70, 30% off. This one is interesting. Niger SB Niger Free. Interesting colorway. Yeah, I'm good on that. But yeah, look. Those guys that like the SBs, $40, you guys. We made it to the size 13s now. Really not much. Really not much. And Moon Racers, 85. Got these Tenkos. Dad shoes, $60. Get that 30% off on top of that. They still got these oh no, this ain't the Stranger Things. This is the Dog Days pack Cortezes. $70. Get that 30 off. Jordan Apex Utility, $90. These are interesting. These do have the React in them. Interesting silhouette. I don't think people are running out to buy them, but yeah, $90, get 30% off. I'm not a fan of the shoe, the Proto Max 720s, but this colorway, man, I'm a big fan of this colorway. Dope. Going for what, 105, 30% off? LeBron, Super Bron. Go for 130, size 13. 5 months later, you guys, still here. Still here. Price at least went down. All right, those of you that have seen all my recent videos, there's really not much new here, but for the new people, this one's not bad, you guys. For the girls, size 5 GS, $50, you guys. Get that 30% off. That's 35 bucks for some Air Max 95s. Color's pretty dope too. I think these are new. Air Max 720s, cool colorway. 30 bucks for these budget options, downshifters. Most kids don't care, right? 80 bucks for these Air Max Deluxe. Man, these prices are high. The Air Max Deluxe, I don't know why they're so expensive. Jordan 4s. I don't know what colorway that is. They say True Berry.
But then it's 30%
They
off.
still got those. They still got the, what's it called? It's light bone or something. Yeah, this is black and light bone. Yeah, the copper colorway, so 85 bucks. 30% off though. We are in the women's section, size 9. I saw these a while ago. Maybe these are the same ones, but 120 plus 30% off, man. These are dope. I love the color on these. These are nice, man. I'm surprised these haven't sold yet. Yeah, 120, 30% off. Are these the Cheryl Swoops? Oh my goodness, these are hideous. Cheryl Swoops, you guys. They do got Zoom Air in it. And even a carbon fiber shin plate on the bottom. Dang. These are hideous though, man. 60. What are they going for? 60 bucks? 60 bucks and 30% off on top of that. Yeah, if you guys want some Cheryl Swoops. Air Max DIAs. Never seen these. Going for what? 65? Get that 30 off. Some all white blazers. These are kind of cool. Blazer highs. They got like each of the panels are different. All buck leather, but they're all treated different. That's interesting. Got gold laces too. Go for 55, 30% off. That's a deal.
This one.
We got women's foam posits. Look at that, 109. Dang. Oh, we're gonna have to look at this one. Dang, look at that. 109. Was that what, 80 bucks? Dang. I'm always surprised. They always got a bunch of these here, man. These are dope. 109 or 110, 30% off, man. They always here. We saw these in the kid sizes. Yeah, 7.5 kid sizes, 9 women sizes. Okay, that's what it is. Still technically youth, but they do have women sizes. Because 7.5 is a 9 in women's. I guess that's why it's here. But yeah, Jordan 4s, metallic, 100 bucks, 30% off. So this size 9.5 still. I guess it's 35 turbos, 105. Is that about $70-some? Damn, that's what's up, man. That's a dope colorway too. Dope colorway. And the standard shoes they got everywhere. Price 35, 70 bucks. Get that 30% off. Brings that to what, 50, 49 or something? Not bad. All the resellers doing their thing. Good for them. Good for them. See if there's anything interesting. I didn't see anything too interesting. Alright, so we're kind of looking at some of the stuff that I found. Let's go for 70 bucks, 30% off, man. That's probably like 50 bucks. Actually, it might be less than that, like $48 or something. Yeah, but I know this part's supposed to be darker, but I don't know, it looks kind of, I don't know, it looks kind of dirty. Yeah, see, there's like some yellowish stuff right there. So yeah, so we're gonna put these back. These are super clean, you guys. Can definitely make some resale on it. Going for what? 80 bucks. I get it for what, 50 something? I think it was like 60 after tax. Yeah, these will sell for like 100, 110. But yeah, I don't feel like doing all that work right now. So yeah, we're gonna put these back too. All right, let's check out some shirts since a lot of them are 30% off. Let's start with the size small since Jorge asked for the small sizes. These going for what? $12.99? $12.99, you guys. $12.99. Not bad. Oh wait, that's actually a price tag for one of the other shirts. But yeah, $12.99. Go for another 30% off on top of that. Dang. It's under 10 bucks. Under $10 for all these shirts. Just Do It, Size small. All conditions gear, the ACG. Yeah. All smalls, you guys. I'll go for under $10. That's crazy. Under 10 bucks. Checking out some mediums. I think it's the same price. Same price. Okay, that one might be a little bit too much. By too much meaning like way too bright. Size large. It's $12.99, 30% off. JDI shirt. This is a size large. If you guys saw my video last week, or a couple days ago, I showed a Nike dry fit shirt, and they were going for what, 80 bucks? $25, you guys, 25 bucks. And you get 30% off on top of that. That's insane. We got a $59 t-shirt, you guys. Normally $150. It says Chaos Balance. The shirt is super soft, I'm not gonna lie, but what the hell, they got pockets on the bottom. It's an interesting shirt. Normally $150, that is crazy. Crazy. I want to check resale on this. This is nuts. Size large. Alright, so there is some resale on this, but yeah, that's just too much work. Make like 20 bucks. Yeah, too much work, you guys. Alright, you guys, that's gonna conclude my trip. Yeah, I didn't really find any crazy deals today, but hey, you know, you gotta keep trying. You ain't playing, you ain't winning, right? You ain't playing, you ain't winning. So thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Yeah, sorry I didn't find anything crazy, but you know, I try for you guys. Try for myself too, but you know what I'm saying? If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, press that like button. Make sure you turn on them notifications so you know when the new videos come through. Yeah, I do pretty much drop a video every day at 8 in the morning, 6 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time on the weekends. So yeah, I have plenty of content for you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead, check out all them older videos. And thanks for joining, you guys. Peace.